Computers are complex and confusing machine at first glance. Well, they are. But I will try my best to explain it as simple as I can and as few words as I can. What are the parts of a computer? Well, there's the motherboard, CPU, RAM, GPU, hard drive, the case, power supply, and the coolers. These are the fundamental parts of a computer. So let's separate it into two categories, the simple ones and the more complex ones. Okay, first one, the case. The case is like the house of your components. It provides a nice enclosed system for everything. Next up, the power supply. The power supply is what powers your computer and is the one that plugs into your power outlet. And the last of the simple parts, the motherboard. The motherboard is a wide and flat circuit board that all the other components plug into. It's one of the cheaper components, but is one of the most essential parts of a computer because without it, the parts have nowhere to plug into. Now on to the more complex ones, the parts that deal with data. These are the CPU, the RAM, the hard drive, and the graphics card. Let's start with the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. It's like the brain of your computer. It does all the calculations and processing of data. It only stores very low amounts of data, but it is very good at doing things with data, like quickly reading it, arranging it, and doing quick and massive calculations needed to run all of your programs. Now the hard drive. This is where all of your data are stored, like your OS, family pictures, games, etc. While it has the large storage space, it's not really good at accessing those data quickly. That's why your hard drive isn't able to constantly give your CPU information to need to run certain programs. That's where the RAM comes in. RAM is another form of storage. It stores the same exact data as your hard drive. But RAM sacrifices storage space for nearly instant accessibility. And lastly, the graphics card. The graphics card takes care of what is getting displayed on your computer, while all of the other components does its things. The graphics card figures out what it will look like and outputs it in your monitor.